Test your English. She or her? There are 10 questions and you have 10 seconds for each question to answer. The answer will be shown after the time is up. Write your score in the comment section. Number 1. Question. She or her? Answer. She is so special for me. She. Number 2. Question. She or her? Answer. Her children are 5. Her. Number 3. Question. She or her? Answer. Honestly, I love her so much. Her. Number 4. Question. She or her? Answer. You can go now while she is watering flowers. She. Number 5. Question. She or her? Answer. Fania is smart. She always gets the best score. She. Number 6. Question. She or her? Answer. Stop talking about her. Her. Number 7. Question. She or her? Answer. Why does she call him she? Number 8. Question. She or her? Answer. I don't believe it. Her mom is my teacher. Her. Number 9. Question. She or her? Answer. She is always right. I am always wrong. She. Number 10. Question. She or her? Answer. Living without her is like singing without music. Her. Please write your score in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.